sugar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Biocontrol Laboratory and Pesticides Testing Laboratory. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective is production of biocontrol agents such as trichoderma, trichogramma, etc., and further distribution to farmers as awareness and demonstration for organic plant health management in order to promote organic crop production. What is the type of assistance? Entitlement. Free distribution of biocontrol agents produced in the laboratory for popularizing their use in plant health management among farmers. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engaging in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper to the District Agriculture Officer of the concerned district through Agriculture Development Officer of CNRD Block, Agriculture Circle, Subdivisional Agricultural Officers of the concerned subdivisions. What is the beneficiaries selection procedure? Beneficiaries are selected based on first-come, first-served basis, subject to availability of materials.